Learning a new language can feel like climbing a mountain, but with tools like ChatGPT, that climb becomes a lot more manageable. Imagine having a personal language tutor available 24/7, ready to help you practice, answer questions, and provide instant feedback. That's exactly what ChatGPT offers. First, let's talk about conversation practice. One of the most effective ways to learn a language is through speaking. With ChatGPT, you can engage in real-time conversations. You can choose a topic you're interested in, maybe travel, food, or culture, and start chatting. The beauty of this is that you can make mistakes without the fear of judgment. If you say something incorrectly, ChatGPT will gently correct you and explain why, helping you learn in a supportive environment. Next, vocabulary building is crucial. You can ask ChatGPT to provide you with a list of common phrases or words related to specific themes. For example, if you're planning a trip to Spain, you could request vocabulary related to restaurants or directions. You can even ask for example sentences to see how those words are used in context. This contextual learning helps solidify your understanding and makes it easier to recall the words when you need them. Grammar can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. You can ask ChatGPT to explain grammar rules in simple terms. If you're struggling with verb conjugations or sentence structure, just type in your questions. You'll receive clear explanations and examples that make those tricky rules easier to grasp. Plus, you can practice by writing sentences and asking ChatGPT to check them for errors. Another fantastic feature is the ability to simulate different scenarios. Want to practice ordering food in a restaurant? You can role-play that situation with ChatGPT. Or maybe you want to prepare for a job interview in your target language. You can practice common interview questions and receive feedback on your responses. This kind of immersive practice can significantly boost your confidence. Don't forget about cultural insights. Language learning isn't just about words. It's about understanding the culture behind those words. You can ask ChatGPT about customs, traditions, or even idiomatic expressions in the language you're learning. This knowledge not only enriches your language skills, but also prepares you for real-life interactions. Lastly, consistency is key. Set a daily goal for yourself, whether it's 10 minutes of conversation or learning 5 new words. You can use ChatGPT to track your progress. Ask it to quiz you on vocabulary or grammar points you've covered. This not only reinforces your learning, but also keeps you motivated. Incorporating ChatGPT into your language learning journey can transform the way you approach mastering a new language. It's like having a knowledgeable friend by your side, guiding you through the complexities of language with patience and expertise. So, dive in, start chatting, and watch your language skills flourish.